Let's track this with Stormcast. Some storms, again, those ones that we've been seeing throughout this afternoon, expected to go to the north and east, maybe hang on through about 9-10 o'clock before they fizzle out. I think this model overdoing a little bit of rain, but some sprinkles and some light showers possible through the evening hours in southwest portions of Nebraska and through the early morning hours, likely just going to remain on the sub-severe side of things going through tomorrow morning. Temperatures going to be starting off mild for those of you participating in the Lincoln Marathon, going to be in the middle 50s for a time. Light winds going to be shifting from the northeast to the southwest, very light, about 10-15 miles per hour throughout the day, and temperatures going to be very warm. Going to get back into the upper 80s, maybe even touch on a few 90s throughout some areas. Hebron, Fairbury, some of those areas likely to see some of that throughout the day tomorrow. And then going into tomorrow night, that's when we're tracking some more storm potential, including a lot of these storms starting to develop and fire up just out to the west. About 2:30 tomorrow, we're starting to see again some clouds start to increase throughout the day, and then those really start firing up as we get into the evening hours. About 7 to 10 o'clock, we're looking at this time frame. Again, another storm starting to develop near Lincoln around this time as well. That pushes off before this back end wave starts to get towards us in the later evening hours, closer to 9-10 o'clock, and it really starts to form a bigger cluster and line of storms that'll move through our area, Lincoln and Omaha, through about midnight and then past us by about 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So for that reason, we do have an enhanced level 3 out of 5 risk for most of our area, including some damaging winds, some strong hail, and then again a tornado or two possible going into the evening tomorrow night. So that's something we'll have to look out for. And temperatures going to bounce around the lower and mid 80s for some time, kind of rinse and repeat forecast for some time, seeing a small chance for some thunderstorms here and there going into Monday and Tuesday. Storms possible Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then we'll cool off into next weekend with rain chances. We just like to see this. You don't want to see too much rain at one time, but many rain chances at this time of the forecast. They just look good. So rain in the forecast is a good thing. We'll continue to bring you the